Alright guys, here we go with the fifth box of the TradingCardZone.com football group break. Now we got a box of 2013 Absolute. Good luck everyone. Again, for those of you watching on YouTube, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to a bunch of guys on breakers.tv. All of our group breaks are done live, so everyone involved can see exactly what's pulled as it's pulled. Alright, pack number one. Let me go ahead and get all these out of these boxes. Yeah, you're just a bunch of guys. If you weren't in here, I would have been more personal. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Even Mike. Good luck to Even Mike. Oh. Alright, we got a Hog Heaven of Nile Davis. Christian Ponder for the Vikings, a Steve Johnson for the Bills. We have a Josh Boyce, but first we'll flip it over and see what our first hit is. Good luck, everyone. Rookie Premier Materials of Giovanni Bernard. That is numbered 33 of 99. There's the Josh Boyce from the back. Alright. Alright, we got Hog Heaven of Ryan Tannehill. We have a Darren McFadden, a DeMarco Murray, Sam Montgomery on the back, but our hit first, oh man. Oh, it's not what I thought it was. Never, I thought it was a cut auto, but here we go. Gavin Escobar, NFL Draft Tickets, number 2 of 25. NFL Draft Tickets, number 2 of 25, Gavin Escobar for the Cowboys. And there's the Sam Montgomery. Alright, next one. Hog Heaven of Tony Romo. And then we have a Matt Schaub, a Chris Johnson, D. Milliner on the back. But first we have, for the 49ers again, Marcus Lattimore, 2-color patch auto. That's numbered 11 out of 49. Marcus Lattimore, 2-color patch auto. There's the D. Milliner. Last pack. Hog Heaven of Darren McFadden. We've got an Adrian Peterson, a Cam Newton, Le'Veon Bell on the back, and Bjorn Werner. Bjorn Werner, rookie auto. That is numbered 8 out of 10. That's going to go to Cool Hand Flash. Bjorn Werner, 8 of 10 auto. There's Le'Veon Bell. So we have that. We have the Marcus Lattimore RPA, numbered out of 49. Gavin Escobar, NFL Draft Day tickets out of 25. And Giovanni Bernard, rookie materials.